Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to talk about Pywal. So Pywal is basically a little program that takes your background colors and just apply it to your desktop. So it applies it to your terminal text and say the border colors and so on. Doesn't do much, doesn't change everything like say if you have like a way bar or something, but it does that basic stuff as far as I know. So let's just open a terminal and open my notes. So I'm just going to run quickly through this. So to install it, it's just basically sudo pacman or yay-s python-pywal 16. That will install it. Right, and then you have to make a directory in your local folders.config wall templates. So you just make that directory. So we can actually just go to that directory quickly. So wall, there's one L. Templates. It's templates. Right. What is in here? Right, and then you have to create a colors-hyperland conf file. But I think you can call it whatever. So let's open that file actually. So nano colors-hyperland conf. Right, and there's a bunch of colors in there. So you just need to copy and paste these colors in. Just ask any AI to generate the colors, obviously, and put it in there. Or you can find it on Pywal. I don't know if the wiki on the Pywal wiki would give you this template colors. Yeah, you can just check there, or I'll put it in my blog, in my guide. Right, so once that's copied in, you want to go to your Hyprland file, and then let's make it a little bigger. Ooh, nice. Not key bindings, go auto start. Right, so what you want to do is you want Pywal to run at start. So exec once equals wall dash r. That will run it because it needs to run. Right, so let's just see. Yeah, that. So make sure it runs, and then source. You have to source that file that you've created, colors hyperland.conf in your Hyprland file. Right, that's at the top. So you're basically referencing it. So when this file is being read, it will read this file in, and it knows how to use that colors and apply it. So that's what you have to do there. And then in general, if you want to change the border colors as well, let's go to general and obviously put that in just as is, because in this file these names will be referenced. So let's go to look and feel, and then let's go to general here where it says col.active border. So it's column active border and column inactive border. There's that color variable names, and then the background as well. So you can put this in, then every time you change your background, it will automatically change the border colors, which is pretty cool. Right, and that is basically it. Right, so because it's terminal base, you have to run the commands to change your wallpaper and to set the colors, obviously, by using this command. Let's just copy that. Let's go out here, paste that in. Wonder if I will remember now my file names. Oh yeah, there is one. So that's lofi. I think the other one is, I have no cooking clue what the names are. That should be in pictures. Pictures, wallpapers. I saved my stuff there. Street. God damn it. Street. Street. Right, so the command is wall dash I and then the path to your picture. Boom. It changed the colors here actually, but it doesn't change your background. So I'm not sure if Pywal does that. I think it's not a how can I say, a wallpaper changer. No, it's not. That's SWWW. I think that's program. So there is better programs than this. This one basically just creates template of your colors and you can apply that across all of your programs and your desktop theme and so on. But yeah, change the colors. But I've created a little script, so I'm not gonna delve into that. So I've created a Wofi menu that will actually display all my wallpapers, obviously in my wallpapers folder. And if I click on it, it will set the colors to the borders and the text, and it will change the wallpaper on the background. So let's go for that street again. There it changes and it gives me a notification. It's all in the script. So let's just open it again. I still need to theme my Wofi. It looks terrible. Let's go for that first one. It's a light one. See, change the text. It's actually so cool. Change the text, the background. That's all I want because I'm not using taskbars like Waybar and so on. So my setup is very minimalistic, and I like it like that. That's why I actually looked at Pywal, because it's a minimalistic little program as well. But it works quite well, so just use it with a script. It is really not that bad. But yeah, there is some good programs out there like Matigen. It does way more. It changes your wallpaper. I haven't actually checked it out, but yeah, it can do way more if you heavy into that stuff. But yeah, this one is actually not bad at all. It is so basic. Let's go for that bottom one. Yeah, changes the colors, everything. It's actually quite cool. I love it. Yeah, that's pretty much Pywal for you. Good.